Here's something that I wish I'd known sooner. In fact, here's something that I wish I'd told you sooner. Everyone's always worried about growth on YouTube. In fact, you probably found this video and this YouTube channel because you wanted to grow your YouTube channel. You wanted to learn how to make better videos and just generally get more views. Here's something that I really wish I knew when I first started. The snowball effect is real. You know that thing where you've been clued up in your own brain for ages that, well, you know, the big people only get bigger because they're big and they only get more views because they're getting more views. That is true. There is an element of truth to that, and that's pure and simply based on the mathematics of compound interest. No, I'm not talking about the thing where you put in money and you put in money and you put in money and you wait 20 years and then at the end of that period of time that you're a multi-millionaire. I'm not here being the next 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏. I'm not being 𝗦𝗵𝗶𝗏𝗏𝗏. I'm not talking about finances here. I'm talking about the effort that you place into a channel, the effort that you place into your videos, and the consistency over time. If I want to binge your YouTube videos and you've only got 3 of them, at most I can give you 3 views. Yeah, I might want to watch your video over and over and over and over again, but I'm likely not to. I'm gonna watch your video and maybe the other 2, and that's 3 views and I'm done. However, if you're Mr. Beast and I've stumbled across you for the first time and you've got 400 videos, I could go on a proper binge session with you. Not only the 8, 10, 20 minute video length, but then video after video after video after video after video. And this is a snowball effect that can only truly happen when you understand your niche, you understand your audience, and you have enough content for them to binge. My channel here is all about helping people grow on YouTube. And I'd say about 70% of the videos on this channel are pretty much one-use type videos. In other words, you come here, you get the answer to your question, and you leave. This means that I don't get overly binged, but I am overly searched. Here you'll see on my YouTube algorithm and my analytics that I get a lot of search traffic, but I don't get a lot of suggested traffic. Suggested traffic for me, I needed to continue make more talky videos like this. Like you have noticed on this channel in the last couple of months, the snowball effect can hit any channel. All you need to do is harness the ability to hook people in, get yourself suggested, and continue to feed them what they're looking for. Suggested videos will not only push the YouTube harder, faster, but it'll make it a massive effect that you've never seen coming. Continue over to this video here to see how you can get your videos suggested. It's a huge channel grower.